Hey there, let's put together the Summerfest Porch Pot. This is a full one. This is going to use a lot of space. If you have a larger pot that is 15 to 20 inches in diameter, not a problem. This will be nice and full. We're going to add our Forsythia for height. It's a single bush, so it works fantastic as a easy to place top focal point. Then we want to make sure our purple clematis is front and center. Don't forget to unbend, stretch, straighten, and trail over the edge your beautiful trailing clematis bush here. Now for fullness on the left and the right, we have this gorgeous red geranium. This is a trailing geranium this time. Nice and full coming off to the side. And this is one of our UV Protect geraniums as well. On the right, in the middle, we have the hydrangea. He's going up front and center. And because he has all this extra leaves and these large flower heads, you're going to want to fan that across and maybe pull one down to sort of intersperse it a little bit here. For a trailing effect on the right, we have a beautiful variegated ivy. Again, make sure you unbend all of these folded over trailing pieces and give it some softness. Just take away the stiffness of that bush and loosen it up a little bit so it looks more natural. That will tuck under and trail out the right side. Look how beautiful and full that can be. Then for just a little splash of extra shapes, this smaller daisy here goes up and out. You can add those out to the side if you want to. One on the left and the right if you want to. I'm just going to offset them here, but they're your spare pieces to add your extra color and spread the white around. Look how full that is. That's our Summerfest Porch Pot.